My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that comes from the website Bostewsom.shop. The name of this website, of course, doesn't make any sense, but the trouble is that the website is real and it may pop up periodically on your computer screen. This particular website tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer. It displays a lot of faulty messages that try to make you think that your PC might be infected with viruses. It may also display some other faulty information. The website then tries to encourage you into clicking on this special proceed button. And if you click on this proceed button, you will be redirected to some other dangerous website. You can also clearly see that initially this site, Bostewsom.shop, seems to promote some decent security program, but when you start interacting with this website, when you click on the proceed button, you will be then forwarded to some other junk sites that may promote a totally different software. These pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware on your computer. So we first of all recommend you to check the control panel of your computer, and in case you find any suspicious programs, make sure you get rid of them, uninstall them in the regular manner. Sometimes the unusual browser behavior may also be explained by the presence of some unwanted browser extensions. So check your browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, then Extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions here, disable and remove them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other concealed threats, I strongly advise scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner will help you to establish the locations of other threats and to remove them effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.